Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are getting a black screen with or without sound, it usually means there is a display, app or DRM issue preventing the video from rendering properly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix black screen issues on Prime Video in 2026 simple and effective. So you have to know that a black screen is often device or display related. It's common on smart TVs, browsers and HDMI setups and usually fixable in minutes. So focus on display, application and device. So first thing you can do is restart your device, like restart your TV, phone or computer. It clears temporary glitches. You can also refresh Prime Video, like if you are using mobile, close and reopen the app, okay, like remove it from the recent apps and then reopen it, okay. And if you are using TV, exit and relaunch the app. Otherwise, if you are using browser, refresh the page and it fixes temporary playback bugs, okay. You can also check HDMI connection, okay, so make sure HDMI cable is firmly connected. Try a different HDMI ports or use a different HDMI cable. This fixes display or HDCP issues, okay. You can also disable VPN or proxy if you are using any, because turn off VPN because VPN can block video rendering. Update the app or browser, like updates Prime Video application, okay. Update your browser if using PC because it fixes compatibility problems, okay. You can check hardware acceleration, like go to browser setting if you are using PC, toggle hardware acceleration on or off, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.